National Geological Survey has now confirmed Hurricane Nestor will be impacting the following states: Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Florida, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, and Massachusetts. All residents in these states must now seek shelter in lowest ground of a sturdy building. Do not use the elevators, you will be trapped inside when power goes out. Use stairways instead to go down to shelter. Make sure you have an emergency kit and medical supplies including non-perishable foods and water. Battery-powered radio with spare batteries and a flashlight. Do not use the telephone. Telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. This is the International TV Channel 850. We will be serving the whole area of the United States. No tuning is needed, it's just only one channel for whole country of United States.